Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or install a sound booster in your laptop. So I'm gonna give you a demo of how will how will that booster work. Here is a video, and the normal sound and the maxed sound of this video uh, is this much. But if you add an extension, that is this extension, then uh, you can enhance your audio. Everything will be okay because I know that. So it really helps. uh, it is a Chrome extension, so to install or add it, in order to add it you must type here Chrome extension, and in the search tab just sound booster search for sound booster and uh, install this, add this sound booster that works. So I've clicked on it and I have already installed it. As you can see, uh, in here in this tab you can see add button in your computer, and after adding it you will get this extension, and you can pin or unpin it, unpin this extension by clicking there. So that's much for the video. Thank you for watching guys. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.